Managed review is a document review led by a project manager with expertise in leading review teams. They have the industry knowledge to develop and ensure compliance with a consistent workflow protocol while maintaining the flexibility to make adjustments to the protocol on the fly. This service differs from simple legal staffing, which simply involves the recruitment of contract attorneys and management of the payroll process. Legal staffing services provide no oversight of the contract attorneys and generally have no experience in the review process, litigation, or even the law at all. DocuPrudence takes the managed review approach one step further. Our project managers not only have expertise in the review process, they are also practicing attorneys with extensive law firm and in-house legal experience. This background enables us not only to ensure the efficiency of the review, but to ensure that it comports with the litigation and business strategies at play in the case. The project manager should have a direct connection not only with the litigators at the law firm, but also a liaison within the corporate client. An early discussion between these three parties ensures that the project manager fully understands both the litigation strategy and the business decisions involved in the case. This knowledge is critical to developing an appropriate review workflow and protocol. When all of the reviewers are hired and report to work for the first time, a senior member of the litigation team should meet with the reviewers to explain the case. A passionate summation of the issues motivates the team and gives them a sense of involvement in the process. The more engaged and enthusiastic the reviewers, the better job they will do. The project manager should be on site full-time to ensure efficiency and accuracy, and to keep the review team motivated and focused. At DocuPrudence, we also believe it is essential to begin the quality control process at the earliest stages of the project so that mid-course corrections can be made, minimizing the need for re-review of documents. Frequent contact with the law firm and/or corporate liaisons is essential. On a daily basis, productivity reports should be generated by the project manager, showing on a reviewer-by-reviewer basis the person's function, the number of hours worked, and the quantity of documents reviewed. This information is then summarized and provided to the client. As ambiguous issues arise, they should be collected and clearly presented to the client for resolution so the team can be certain it is proceeding according to the litigation strategy. Throughout the project, as decisions are made about ambiguous issues, the priority of review, search terms employed, or any other factor that affects the review process, they should be recorded in a decision log. This log forms the backbone of the audit trail. A similar log should be developed for technical issues, such as corrupted files, password-protected documents, etc. At the end of the project manager should deliver to the client a project binder. This binder contains all of the productivity reports, the decision log, the technical log, and the review protocol. This binder is a key product for demonstrating the defensibility of the review process. There is a great deal of discussion in the legal community about predictive coding, early case assessment, and technology-assisted review. The few court decisions relating to these issues revolve around the defensibility of the review process. What this means is that the party has to be able to show that they employed reasonable methods to find documents responsive to the other party's requests. But while defensibility may be the gold standard, we at DocuPrudence believe that our obligation extends further than ensuring responsive documents are produced. As practicing attorneys ourselves, we feel it is incumbent upon us to ensure that the litigators are aware of the substance of what is produced. Therefore, while we advocate the use of predictive coding and other technologies to help streamline the review process, we do not believe that any document should be produced without an attorney reviewing it first. Our reviewers are engaged in their cases and constantly bring hot documents and interesting issues to the attention of the project managers. In turn, we pass this vital information on to our clients so that they can incorporate it into their strategies and not be taken by surprise at deposition. We call this attention to substance the platinum standard. For more information about DocuPrudence, please see our website or contact us today for an initial consultation. DocuPrudence, your choice for custom-managed e-discovery services.